Hi my dear students. Now if you remember, after I finished lesson number 5, now something remained here. I want to complete the lesson number 5 completely. In fact, this question, it's not multiple choice style question, it is a classic question, but I see that it's better to solve it and you have an experience on this type of the question too. What does this question say? First of all, students, I want to remind you the meaning of this sentence. What is the meaning of this sentence? Differentiate the antiderivative to check the answer. Okay, this one is very important to understand it. Differentiate means take the derivative of what? Antiderivative. Okay, everyone knows F capital, it stands for the antiderivative in chapter 5. Differentiate antiderivative means take derivative of antiderivative to check the answer, means is the answer equal to f small of x or not. Okay, students, at the beginning of this chapter I said this one is very important, and now the most important thing here, when you have such an equation, you must know which one is f small, which one is f capital. If you remember from the explanations, the function that's between the integral and the x is the f small of x, and the result is antiderivative f capital. And here we want to show that the derivative of antiderivative, first of all let me write the antiderivative, 2 over 3 is constant, if you see, and I have a fraction. I cannot say rational function because rational function's definition is polynomial divided by polynomial. This one is not. This one is a fraction, polynomial divided by radical function. And now let us take the derivative. F capital prime, keep the constant, 2 over 3 times. You must remember the quotient rule for the derivatives in chapter 3. Numerator's derivative 2x times denominator square root of x minus denominator's derivative 1 over 2 square root of x times numerator x square plus 3 divided by denominator square root of x all square. Okay, don't forget, keep the constant. Now I'm going to equalize denominator by butterfly method. What was butterfly method? You multiply the denominator on the right to the numerator on the left, and you subtract it by the numerator of the right one. 2 times 2, 4. Square root x times square root of x, x times x, 4x square. Now negative 1 times the bracket, negative x square minus 3 divided by common denominator 2 square root of x over what? This with this cancelled, it will be x. Now 2 over 3 times 4x square minus x square, of course 3x square minus 3 over 2 square root of x, 2 square root of x. Students, if we convert this division to multiplication, what did happen to the denominator? It will be upside down, 1 over x. And now students, 2, I want to show you that 2 with the 1 in the denominator, they will cancel each other. If you look carefully here, what's common? 3. So take 3 as greatest common factor, x squared minus 1 over 3 times square root x times x means 3x square root of x. Now cancel again 3 with 3. Look, what do you get? You get x squared minus 1 over x square root of x. That means f small of x. This is how do you differentiate the antiderivative to check the answer. Thank you very much.